dude and lost. They had evidence and showed that game with the butterfly tattoo on his face that he molests children. He's a pedophile. And he walking around with his chest still stuck out, hollering, and everybody still love him. Just tell me what you know, Jay-Z. No, nigga, I don't want to know a month. Give me that $500,000. I know what to do with this here now. Yeah, I know what to do. Fuck his conversation.
How was Nipsey Hussle negative?
I'm gonna turn all these bitches into lesbians. I'm gonna turn all these bitches into lesbians. Not my daughter, not my niece. He promoted 60s. He even say, I know it's wrong, but who am I to say it's wrong? Nipsey promoted 60s. Right? I'm a 60 for anything, cuz. Nah, big bad motherfucker got fine black girls. Yeah, nigga with short hair, fat ass neck, and fight and run fast. Yeah, no, man, nigga ain't no bad motherfucker. But our people think these niggas is like superheroes. And I'm saying if he a bad motherfucker, Lil Tim will be dead. If he a bad motherfucker, his brother wouldn't have got killed. Man, listen. Boy, ain't nobody, boy, y'all love the shit out of Mike Tyson 2 weeks ago. Mike Tyson raped. Went to jail for it. Woman went up there, knocked on the door in the middle of the night. Tyson took it. That's what she said. She was a black gal. He ain't never apologized for it. Y'all ain't said nothing about them boys. So here it is. We can go on and on. Young Buck been caught with a tranny. Tranny come out and give us proof that the boy been with a tranny. Dwight Howard, another tranny come.
Every rapper who has had something bad to say about Soulja Boy are no longer here.
I ain't fuck Soulja Boy, nigga. Crunchy Black said he was a punk. Yeah, Crunchy Black still here. Yeah, my nigga.